Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The fictitious 2027 BRABUS Minimalist Campervan, which combines the calm aesthetics of minimalism with the high-performance tuning prowess of BRABUS, is billed as the sleekest camper you'll ever see. By offering a mobile refuge that is as much a declaration of sophisticated taste and mechanical skill as it is a useful travel vehicle, this idea goes beyond the traditional confines of a campervan. It is a vision for a new kind of discriminating tourist that appreciates unmatched quality, modern technology, and subtle grace. The BRABUS Minimalist Campervan's exterior would be a masterwork of elegance and understatement. In contrast to BRABUS's blatantly aggressive style, this campervan would represent a more subdued yet unquestionably potent aesthetic. Every surface would be redesigned, but it would probably be built on a high-end Mercedes-Benz chassis, like a V-Class or Sprinter. The bodywork would be neat and simple, emphasizing flush-mounted windows and smooth panel integration. Perhaps a distinctive grille, custom alloy wheels with a minimalistic design, and subtle carbon fiber elements that allude to its high-performance heritage would be among the classic BRABUS features. But they would be presented in a more elegant way. Its elegant shape would be enhanced by a unique metallic finish or a deep, rich matte black paint job. With each line and curve having a purpose, the overall impression would be one of a vehicle that is both a potent machine and a piece of art. Inside, a haven of German engineering and Scandinavian minimalism. The BRABUS Minimalist Campervan's inside is where the term minimalist really shines. It would stand in sharp contrast to the interiors of conventional RVs, which are frequently disorganized and overly ornamented. With an emphasis on simple lines, organic materials, and a clutter-free atmosphere, the design would be influenced by upscale Scandinavian and Japanese minimalist styles. Purity of form. Every element would have numerous uses, making the arrangement extremely effective. Built-in and modular furniture would easily transition from a living room to a dining area or a bedroom. Light woods, gray tones, and delicate metallic elements would make up the soothing and neutral color scheme. Customized materials. The best quality materials would be used, even with the minimalist design. Anticipate warm, inviting woods throughout, polished stone counters in the kitchenette, and hand-stitched leather on the couches. Seamless technology. Most of the technology would be concealed and seamlessly incorporated. Everything would be controlled by a voice-activated AI system or a single, user-friendly control panel, including entertainment, security, climate control, and lighting. The bathroom would be a small, tasteful wet room, and the kitchenette would be furnished with modest, high-efficiency appliances. The objective is to design a living area that is devoid of visual noise and feels airy and open. The BRABUS Minimalist Campervan was made with comfort in mind, but performance was never sacrificed. A BRABUS-tuned powerhouse, the engine would deliver a smooth, confident ride and effortless acceleration. Regardless of the state of the roads, a suspension that has been specially adjusted would provide a stable and comfortable ride. The automobile would serve as evidence that you can have both the thrilling performance of a well-tuned machine and an opulent, tranquil living area. The 2027 BRABUS Minimalist Campervan would essentially be a groundbreaking idea in the field of mobile living. With a degree of sophistication and power that is absolutely unrivaled, it would serve a new generation of travelers who are looking for more than just a vehicle. They want a carefully designed, technologically sophisticated, and aesthetically pristine haven that enables them to see the globe in elegance.